Second set of PROHEAR hearing protection. These not only protect your ears from pew shots or loud bangs, but they also amplify sound. So something really quiet, it amplifies it up to 4 times. So really neat thing to have. It also will auto shut off in 4 hours. That's very important because I can't tell you how many times I get done at the range. I take these things off, put in my bag, and forget that they're on, and the next time I go to use them, they're dead. So very frustrating. The batteries go in here. It's AAA, 2 AAA batteries. You have your volume button here. So this is turned all the way up, turned all the way down. You can also plug these in if you wanted to like listen to music. That's the port right there. It comes with these really cool patches. So you have 2 spots to put a patch, right here and right here. And these patches come off with Velcro. It comes with a bunch of different types. So I got another American flag here. I got this like hunting thing, I guess. And then it even comes with more Velcro. So you could put like another Velcro here, you know, and you put a Velcro here, you know, and you have patches all over it if you wanted to. I'm not a real big patch guy, but since there were spots, I put them there. Altogether, they look pretty neat. I like the color. They come in a bunch of different colors from what I remember. They're very comfortable. It comes with some ear plugs. You wear them in conjunction with this is probably a good idea, but these will suppress the sound. And it comes with a bag, which I can't tell you how much I appreciate a bag. If I turn these on, where is I put them on. It amplifies the sound, so I sound like I'm actually in a room right now. If you turn it all the way up, and you can turn it all the way down. So they're really nice. It's definitely something that is like definitely a luxury item, but a must-have if you're going to any kind of range or you're doing anything loud where you also need to hear. Okay, so these things are awesome. Highly recommend them. There you go.